We at DVS Digital are focusing on providing digital solutions to our customers. You know, there's so much new technology in the market, so that hits manufacturing. Manufacturers have to deal with cloud computing, with edge computing, with big data analytics, with artificial intelligence, and there's so much potential in this to optimize processes and to come up with cheaper products and with better products. And we at DVS Digital want to enable our customers to use this technology for their own productions. So when we started, we realized that we need to have a digital ecosystem and digital platforms where we can build up on solutions that make the technology accessible to our customers. So we decided to implement a cloud-based platform which we call DVS Connect, and this is our central hub of applications to our customers, for our customers, where they can interact with us and where they can also use systems that allow them to come to better products and to optimize processes and to figure out how ideal parameters of machines, for example, could be set up. So DVS Edge is our platform very close to the machine tool that allows us to run and execute applications and to bring analytics possibilities and AI right on the machine. AWS just gives us the things that we need. So we've got a broad tool set where we can choose from, and till now it gave us so much speed to just solve the problems with the right tools in a very short amount of time. And we get all the support that we need whenever we are in a situation where we are kind of debating how we should implement things. We get the support to come to a solution, and it helped us a lot just to get the speed that we got.